on Z plus A star B is equal to 2 power AB. First we need to prove it is binary operation or not. Let A comma B belongs to Z plus cross Z plus. A star B is equal to 2 power AB. It is belongs to Z plus. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is binary operation. Binary operation. Come back to commutative. Commutative. What is A star B? 2 power AB. What is B star A? 2 power BA. A star B is equal to B star A. Because 2 power AB is same as 2 power BA. Therefore, star is commutative. Come back to associative, my dear students. How to prove associative? Associative. Take LHS. A star, B star C. A star, what is B star C? 2 power BC. Next, 2 power, first element A, second element 2 power BC. What is the operation is 2 power first element into second element. 2 power, what is the first element A, second element 2 power BC. Keep it like that. Consider RHS. A star B star C. What is A star B? 2 power AB star C. This is A, this is B. 2 power, what is the first element? 2 power AB. Second element C. Both are not equal. Star is not associative. Understand everyone? Copy it. Next question is what they given A star B is equal to
A power B.
A power B on Z plus.
Yes, sir.
On Z plus. I can make you co-host is there, no? It is a binary operation because let A comma B belongs to Z plus cross Z plus. Correct. A star B is equal to A power B. It is belongs to Z plus. Star is binary operation. Here it is star is function. Commutative. How to prove commutative? Now I will take two elements 2 star 3, 2 power 3 8, 3 star 2, 3 power 2 9. Both are not equal. 2 star 3 is not equal to 3 star 2. Star is not commutative. Come back to associative. Very, very important. See everyone both side. A star B star C. A star B star C means B power C. First element power second element, that is the logic. B star C, first element B, second element C, B power C. Now what is the first element? A. Power, what is the second element? B power C. Keep it hold. RHS hold. A star B star C. What is A star B? A power B star C. Now first element is what? A power B whole power C. That is nothing but A power BC. This is A power B power C. This is A power BC. Both are not equal. Star is not associative. Understand what I am speaking with you? Right.